I'll just create a room and then for a little seems like I'm in. Killed somebody. Oh, I just got a new mouse, by the way. It's kind of cool. I think it's better than the mouse I have. I got an M16 over my team. That means the chicken is bear. It's bear chicken. I like it. Feels kind of like nice, you know? Like to have like a good team and my new mouse. It feels kind of nice. I have the chicken now. Oh my god, I'm on top of him. Dude, what am I? Who the frick are you, dude?
I feel some rain coming on. Oh wait, no, that's just a crop drop.
I have a gun. Getting the quad drop. Amazing. Not my secret? Okay. This game is amazing. I'm gonna try and follow him. This is by far my favorite game mode. I don't know why. Let me get the M16. Oh, look at my team. What? What is it? Look at this. That's cool. It's actually pretty cool. M16 over my team. Okay. I was scared of myself because I am small. Is someone's got the? My team got the chicken. You die. Nice, buddy boy. Okay, nice. Okay, they're dead. She killed me. I got an idea. M16. Okay, let's go.
Drop inbound.
Crop drop. Okay, that was an awesome snipe. Healed my team. It's pretty nice. Dude, nice. Nice, man. Okay, Oceanside? Pretty nice. Oh, and Team Deathmatch is like really nice. I really like Team Deathmatch, and it is random. Ooh, Team Deathmatch, let's go, man. Let's go, baby boy. Let's go, I got a baby. Let's go, man. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Oh, you're a baby, dude. You're a baby, dude. Ooh, tiger. Mortal enemy. Dude. Oh, tiger. Oh, tiger, are you in for it, dude? Guys, you really need to watch Game Tune. That's my favorite gun, the freaking M6 Bean. I don't know why, but this is my favorite freaking gun, dude. That guy's like really bad. I'm pretty sure he just started playing. Because that hat is like really epic. Is like really not that good. I want to say it's like the beginner's hat. Every beginner has it. I think you start out with that hat actually. I've had that top hat before, a long time ago. I had it like a couple weeks ago actually. Pretty easy to level up in this game. You don't know what that skin is? No, I'm talking about the other kind of. You don't know? Oh my god! Dude, that's the most stupid way to die. By a crab drop. In this game, that is the most stupid freaking way to die. Griddle, you're literally just started playing this game. And Madison, that's a beginner's hat. That's actually a hat I wore like a really long time ago. I used to wear anyways. Dude, frick off. Just frick off, dude. Let's go, dude. Dude, that was amazing, bro. Brick. Strawberry. Let's go. That's just an epic gamer play. This is like my most unloved gun. That was my most unloved gun. Oh my god, I need that. I need that milk. Boy. The milk. Don't be drinking orange juice. This game says it, man. Orange juice is bad for your interior. Orange juices shouldn't be something. Shouldn't be a thing. Calcium. Oh! Double calm. It's my secret. It's my secret. Dude, it's my secret. If you don't know that, then you're bad. You're bad. Stop being so bad. You don't know what Jonah's secret is in chicken farmers. You're bad. You're not good.
Bro, look at Stop there.
Mompero. 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 Empero. Oskin. Peroskin. Habadabadoo.
Better get over there. Only a minute left.
Yeah, we're winning, like, by a lot.
Double kill.
Double kill?
Triple kill.
Easy! Just easy, man! It's a total banger, man! Easy! Let's do
Only
it
30 seconds.
easy! Dude, you're too easy, man. Dude, we're winning. Like,
Drop, pizza.
like, boy, come here. Haha. Let's go. Oh my god, dude. I literally shot it, dude. I'm so good. I'm so epic. I am so completely unepic. Like, man. I am so completely